Hello there. Welcome to another Rustlings exercise tutorial. So let's jump into the error here. We've got expected type, found open curly bracket. This is for exercises 0 to functions 4. And there's this function. We've got fund, sale price. Price has type I64. And then there's an expected type here, but there isn't a type there. So the error is stating could not compile exercises bin functions 4 due to one previous error. Okay, let's take a look at the code. Let's see. All right. So let's just read through the example from the top here. The comment says this is the store is having a sale where if the price is an even number, you get 10 Rust bucks off. But if it's an odd number, it gets 3 Rust bucks off. Don't worry about the function bodies themselves. We are only interested in the signatures for now. Okay. I think we're going to take a quick look at the functions anyway. So we got fun is even, takes in a num, and num is of type I64, integer 64, signed integer, and it returns type bool. In the body of the function, we've got num mod 2 is equal to 0. This is not assignment, but is checking that equality holds, and that should be a bool. Great. And then there's this function sale price, which the price itself, for whatever reason, is an I64. I would have thought it'd be a floating type. And we can see from the Rust analyzer that there's a syntax error, expected type, Rust, see expected type, found curly bracket instead. Okay. And then inside the body, we've got this control flow of if even price, that's the function we saw, then return the price minus 10, otherwise return the price minus 3. Okay, and then there's our main function. We declare an original price variable, 51, and then we call this print line macro. Your sale price is formatted, print sale price, original price. Great. So we're just calling that sale price function on this original price, and because Rust is pretty smart, it's figuring out that this 51 being called later in sale price needs to be of type I64 rather than the default of I32. Very, very smart, Rust. Okay, so the thing we have to solve here is to supply some kind of type. And I think that we should just preserve types based on what's in the body and what's on the input, which here is I64. So let's add an I64 return type to sale price, and let's compile. And the sale price is 48. Great. So that is correctly compiling. Let's take a look at what the hint would have been if we had needed it. Let's see. The error message points to the function sale price, and it says it expects a type after the arrow. This is where the function's return type should be. Take a look at is even function for an example. Okay, great. So let's now also take a look at their solutions in functions. Functions, what is this? 4, right? Yes, indeed. So their solution turns out to be identical to ours. They just put this I64 and called it good. Okay, so that's the end of this exercise. I don't think there's anything to learn there other than that functions need to have return types. And that is a requirement from the compiler to ensure correctness of types and presumably some stuff about memory safety. Okay, with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.